Hi, my name is Sam Clark, and I want to spend a couple of minutes explaining this advertisement that you responded to, which is something similar to this, where I'm going to show you how to get paid to use the best digital marketing software and how you can also make some money doing it. So there is a club called the I Am Buyers Club, which I'm going to show you right now. And let me get over to it right here. And what this is, it's sort of like a crowdfunding software club where the owner buys the rights to all the various digital marketing softwares. These are the new ones that are coming up, and adds them to the club and gets us access to them. So software is utilized by lots of different marketers online for various things, from video marketing to email software, to site building tools, funnel tools, a lot of video marketing tools, conversion tools such as this one here, which just came into the club. So people are buying software all the time. There's actually, I had a screenshot of 5 softwares in here that were in the last 14 months that sold about $2.1 million by the owner. That is a company called Mintware. So what we have, the owner is able to buy all of the PLR or commercial rights under reseller licenses, and then we're able to get access to these very expensive softwares at a ridiculous monthly cost. Now, making money with this is offering this and finding people, and I will help you and show some ways to do that. As an example, I contacted a guy the other day who was looking at Conversion Bot, and instead of having him go and pay, I think it was around $150 for all the upsells on this, I was able to get him access to this at a much better price. And here's another one here. Storybot you would have spent about $181 for. So these are just a couple examples of the softwares and the prices of them. So we're able to help people out, save money, and get access to all of this. I'm going to go a little faster here now as we've gone down through a few. I've been a member for 4 months and I just absolutely love it. New products come in all the time. He's added, I think already, I'll go back up here in a second. These are all in here. And not only can you get access to this, but for a limited time, until we've reached a certain number of people, you're locked in at this price point. But even more importantly, it's your ability to earn commissions as an affiliate. This is only going to be available for founding members. Okay, after we have reached our number, this option is not going to be available. How the affiliate program works is this. It's not a reoccurring. What is going to happen is anytime you make a sale, you're going to get the first month's commission of $37. So that's where I get, if you were to sell one a day and help people out, because even if they purchased one of these softwares, it's going to cost more than $37. So for people that are active marketers online looking for software to utilize in their business, which there's millions, they're going to be interested in this offer because it's going to help them save money on the products that they're looking at. And there's new products coming in all the time. As I mentioned, this one was just added today. This was added yesterday. This is called Media Cloud. It's a pretty, I just got access to it this morning, and it's pretty amazing. Let me shorten, make that a little smaller so I can bring this into the recording. Anyway, this here allows you to go and make, there's literally over 12 million video and image assets in here. So that's just an example of one product. Let me get this off here and come back over here. That's just one example. We added both the upsell, the elite version, getting people to those. So this one, these two here were all added in November so far, December so far. So that's 4. This one's coming in. He puts in additional products. Last month we had 18 products come into the club. All of these here that you're looking at, all were put in the club in November. So it keeps people that are marketers engaged because they're always looking for ways to automate and products that they can utilize. And we have access to it. So it's a win-win. We're helping people save money, and get access to products that they would like to have at a ridiculously less than the cost of one, typically, per month. So that's how it works. And as an affiliate, you would simply be offering and showing people, and this, you would get a page like this and share it with them. And when they sign up through you, you get paid. That's it. That's the simplicity of this. It's a win-win. Great deal for anybody who's interested in software. Plus, you're going to get access to all of this for your own business as well. I did not mention, and I will now, that there's hosting available. So if you're needing hosting for websites, that is in here. As well as autoresponder tools. So pretty much everything you need for your business is inside of the club. So for your own use, it's great as well. And that's how you can get paid to use all these incredible tools, by becoming an affiliate and offering it to other people.